If you're trying to add the supply chain apps add-in to your Excel online and don't know where to start, this video will walk you through the process step by step. First, log into your Microsoft 365 account. On the left side, click the Apps tab and search for Excel. Open a new blank workbook, then, under the Home tab, find and click Add-ins. Next, select More Add-ins and type Supply Chain Apps in the search box. When the results appear, locate Lookup Supply Chain Apps and click on it to open the Details window. Click Add to proceed. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click Continue. The add-in will now be visible in the ribbon. To open it, click the Home button, sign into your account, and you're now ready to start optimizing. To discover more tutorials, subscribe to our page. Also, check the captions for a detailed PDF guide on how to add the supply chain apps add-in via AppSource, Excel, and Excel Online.